Executive Councillor, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Cooperative FCS and CA Forest and Wildlife Information Engineer Funchok Tashi along with Rajesh, Director Roadmas India Private Limited Consultant for Snow Sky Lift and Winter Depot Academy approved scheme of Department of Youth Service and Support UT Ladakh during his visit to Athing village to see the sky slopes. Naib Tehsildar Hasnan Mir and SHO Zanskar Gelston as well as people of Athing were also present. The EC appealed the villagers of Athing to engage in the development of sky slopes and snow sky lift to boost their economy. The administration wishes to host snow skiing during Zanskar Winter Sport Festival on the sky slope. A one-day workshop on NCPCR guidelines for the prevention of bullying and cyberbullying in schools was organized for the principals and headmasters of private and government schools in the Leh district at the District Institute of Education and Training. Chief Guest Director of School Education UT Ladakh Sering Paldan underscored the significance of addressing bullying and cyberbullying to ensure a safe and supportive educational environment for all students. The workshop featured detailed sessions led by representative of NCPCR Delhi, Anshun Goswami, District Social Welfare Officer Nilza Angmo, Inspector in Charge Officer Cyber Unit Leh, Jamyang Namgyal, and SI Cyber Unit Leh, Dechan Angmo. These experts provided insights into the NCPCR guidelines, sharing practical strategies for prevention and discussing the legal implications of bullying and cyberbullying. A historic day for the whole of teachers fraternity in Kargil. The day marked the union of all teachers association under one umbrella. With the same spirit, the GII and GII teachers of Kargil have dissolved their respective district organizations for the larger good of all, and the executive body members have tendered their resignation. There exists no association at the district level as of now. The aim of uniting all associations under one umbrella is to make a strong and powerful organization which will work selflessly for the welfare of the teachers and the overall betterment of education system at the district level. In a concerted effort to ensure the optimal functioning of healthcare services in the Tai Suru block, Dr. Motup Dorje, Mission Director of the National Health Mission UT Ladakh, conducted a comprehensive visit to various health facilities. Accompanying Dr. Dorje were Dr. Liaquat, Chief Medical Officer Kargil, Dr. Iqbal, State Immunization Officer Dr. Ghulam Hussain, Block Medical Officer Tai Suru, and the SPMO, DPMU and BPMU teams along with other healthcare professionals. The visit encompassed several health facilities across Tai Suru block including the PHC in Panikhar and various health facilities in Tashi Tongza, Juldo Rangdom, Parkachik, Purtikiche and Tengol.